limit disengaged. Time remaining 1 minute.
Okay, we're gonna land.
20 seconds. 0. 25. 0. Percent. Gear up.
Body, I can't see wings at all.
That's funny.
%, 50%,
Okay, so full power. A little more.
0, 25%, 0. Brake.
So
Yeah, you can do all the testing at
the
home.
whole thing.
Yeah.
Look at them.
Oh man.
25%. 0.
I did.
Gear up.
Speed.
Disengage.
Speed 10.
Oh.
Let's see.
G limit disengaged.
What's
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Wood wants to turn out that way.
Yeah.
Altitude.
Whoa.
G limit disengaged.
I think I'll run it off into the grass if I'm around. Oh yeah, oh my
20,
god.
0. 25, 0. 25, 0. Gear up. 25%. 50%. Time remaining 3 minutes. G limit disengaged. G limit disengaged. G limit disengaged. 1 minute. 25%. 0. 25. 0.
That's an 80 right there?
Gear up.
Yep.
50%.
He would have had.
Look, Albert.
Okay.
Upside down.
Never mind. I have to put a little down.
G limit disengaged.
Not been out here?
Oh,
He's been out here.
Been out here.
oh, Mark's been out here.
He was out here last week, or last Saturday.
Engaged.
I'm the one that only. I better hover. I better hover.
G limit disengaged.
It acts.
This is down the runway. That's not.
Yeah, that's what makes it better.
Yeah.
50%. 25. 50%.
What she said?
Time remaining 1 minute. 0. 25%. 0.
Oh yeah, right.
25%. 0.
Jump.
20%.
Oh, you've been all right. Because that wind, it was stopping.
Warning. 20 seconds.
See?
25, 4, 0. 25, 3, 2, 0.
You got it.
25, 1,
There you
0.
go.
Man.
Wow.
Whoa, Fred.
That's what it was. Almost over with. Over. Oh, it does. It does. Because I watched the video on that. Oh, yeah.
25, 50%. Disengage.
No, give him a call.
25,
See, I
50%.
got my 22 for a receiver, but this is that are.
Engage.
Yeah, right. This 6 channel though.
Yeah. Yeah. For $12.
50%.
Yeah, well that'd be good for a guy like him. But if you got flaps and landing gear, you get it. And then you want AF.
50%. Time remaining 2 minutes.
Well, he's booking.
0.
Yeah.
20,
Well, I bought a toolkit.
26
Only this
seconds.
big.
Yeah.
It has about
25, 0. 20, 0.
Fritz out there this time. Oh, man. Wind out there.
he can hover and just sit down. Now look at that note table or the instructions or that box next to it, and it's still what 40 more cents. It's gonna be $20. So you just gotta